Today, we are embarking on an exhilarating journey through the lush jungles and fiery volcanoes of Indonesia. Join me as we explore the natural wonders and breathtaking landscapes of this beautiful country. Indonesia, an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, is a land of diverse landscapes, from dense jungles to towering volcanoes. Our expedition will take us through some of the most awe-inspiring and biodiverse regions. Our adventure begins in Sumatra, an island known for its lush jungles and diverse wildlife. We'll trek through these jungles, witnessing the incredible biodiversity and unique ecosystems that call this place home. Encountering Sumatran orangutans, one of the world's critically endangered species, will be a highlight of our journey. These gentle creatures are a vital part of Sumatra's ecosystem. Next, we'll venture to Java, an island dotted with remarkable volcanoes. Our climb to the summits will provide us with unmatched views and a sense of the raw power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. Witnessing the sunrise from Mount Bromo, an active volcano, will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The misty, ethereal landscape is something dreams are made of. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Bali, where we'll explore the serene jungles. We'll discover hidden waterfalls, walk through lush rice terraces, and connect with the rich Balinese culture. The Tigalalong Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, will leave us in awe of human ingenuity and the harmony between people and nature. In conclusion, Indonesia's lush jungles and majestic volcanoes offer a glimpse into the power and beauty of nature. If you're captivated by the wonders of our planet, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more exciting explorations of breathtaking destinations. Thank you for joining me on this remarkable adventure through Indonesia.